Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Resident Evil 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address or your username and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the store homepage. From here, go ahead and click on the search box and just type in Resident Evil 2 and start your search. Once you find the game, just click on it and you will need to enter your date of birth to verify your age. After entering this, click on the View Page button and now you will be taken into the game page where you can see the game trailer and all of the details. If you scroll down, you will find the price as well as other details and other versions of the game. You can click on the Add to Cart button for the game that you wish to download and this will now be added to your cart right away. Click on the View My Cart button and then you can click on Continue to Payment in order to continue your payment for your game that you wish to purchase. Now just choose your payment method and you will need to enter the credentials for this payment method that you have chosen. If you have chosen PayPal, you will need to enter your PayPal account credentials. And if you choose other methods, just enter your card number followed by the expiration date and the security code. Also enter your billing information if you don't have it already within your profile. Finally, click on the Continue button. And now, after your payment has been verified, the game will be purchased and it will be added within your game library. From here, you can simply click on the game to start the download and installation. And once you download and install the game, it will be available within your library to launch right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Resident Evil 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.